Remember to unplug that one
It's in your
RCA on the
trunk,
base knob.
or glove box. Excuse me.
I'm on Facebook Live.
So either way we got.
He'll want it.
That's just because of the sun.
Yeah, I know.
22. That's the real question.
That's definitely one.
Oh,
Not helping.
he went down.